In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get the best video ad creatives for your dropshipping business. What's up, dropshippers? Welcome back to another video. We all know that video ads are really important and crucial for our dropshipping business. It does not matter how good your winning product is, if you cannot advertise it correctly and use some videos and pictures that stops the eyes of people on it, there are very low chances that you are going to make a sale. You need to have a good thumbnail, your first 3 seconds of the video must be catchy and engaging, and you need to show the viewers why they need this product. And you need to do all this stuff within 10 to 15 seconds. So it is quite a bit of a challenge to stand among this huge competition. And it is obvious that the video ad must be good and done by the professionals. Otherwise, you can spend thousands of dollars on TikTok and Facebook ads to push the winning product, but the only thing that you will get is a disappointment. So how to get the best and the highest converting video ad creatives? First, I'm going to tell you the free method that you can use, which consumes a lot of time and you need to learn some skills to get the best results, but don't make you to spend any money. Then I'll tell you the method and the exact website that I personally use, which gives me high conversion rates like this and helps me to reach sales figures like this. So for complete information, make sure you stick till the end of this video. So the free method that you can use to get your video ad creative is to create them by yourself. Because there isn't a single company or website in the world that can make free videos for you. This is obvious as well because they have the teams of professionals to do the work and they need to pay them as well. Now the question is how you can create your video ad creatives by yourself even if you have no prior experience or very little experience in editing. So there are literally only 2 steps to make your own video ad creative. First one is gathering the content and second one is putting the content together. Or in other words, you can say editing the video. So first of all, the first step is gathering the content. For that, you can use different sources like Aliexpress and Google to get different pictures and videos of the product. Or you can simply make your own natural content around that product so you do not have to use the pictures and videos that everyone else is using. But to make this natural content, you need to order the product first and then wait for it to arrive at your doorstep, which can easily take up to a month. Now coming to the second step, which is editing the video. Once you have your content, you can simply reassemble the clips and add some text to make them more informative. Now one of the free tools that you can use to edit the videos is InVideo. It is a simple interface website video editor that anyone can use and is used by a lot of dropshippers. I'll leave the link in the description. And if you do not want to use InVideo, there is a free app called InShot, which is available on both the Play Store and App Store, with the help of which you can simply edit the videos using your mobile phone. Now it was the first free method that you can use, which is really time consuming because when you will start editing in the beginning, you would not understand a lot of things like which feature does what and you know how to trim and how to add text, how to change the font and a million things. Whereas you can use the same time to grow your business instead of putting your time into things that you can get done by the professionals at a very cheap cost, and even gives you high conversion rates, of course. And this is exactly what I do. I leave the work to the professionals. And it took me some time to understand this thing that I cannot do everything by myself just to save money and trade my time for it. So now the website or company that I personally use to get my video ad creatives done is BandsoffAds. And there are very high chances that you might have already heard of them because they are simply the best in their field. And for those of you who do not know about BandsoffAds, they are providing video ad creatives to dropshippers for a long time now. And the videos have been proven to get really good results and conversion rates. And this is not what only I say. Some huge dropshipping influencers like Jordan Welch, Nazarathi, Tan Chaudhary and Ecom Wizard also say the same thing about BandsoffAds. And moreover, if you see the reviews, they have more than 6,000 reviews with an average rating of 4.9 stars, which is really awesome. And other than that, if you go to their website and play the home video, we see a very familiar face in this business of dropshipping, which is my boy BeProfit. And to be true, he was the reason why I tried BandsoffAds for the first time. and after that I have been using them pretty consistently. So you can sign up for free right now using the link in the description and start using their amazing services. And as soon as you order your first video, please let me know how was your experience. And talking about the order, once you did sign up, you can simply tell them the product that you want the video ad for and select the bundle, whether it's for Facebook or TikTok ad. They will send you the video ad creatives within 1 to 3 business days. Most of the times I get the videos done within 48 hours, which is really great. And moreover, if you have any problems or issues, their customer support is really good as well. I hope this video was informative and helpful. If you are watching this video so far, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. That's it for the video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.